Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make 3 super delicious sauces. Again, they're all mayonnaise based. I guess it shows how much we love mayonnaise. Not super healthy, but super delicious. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So we're going to start off with the first sauce. What you'll need is mayonnaise, some plain yogurt, curry powder, and optional pepper. So first of all, take 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, then 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, followed by roughly 1 teaspoon of curry powder. This is gonna take a while. There we go, put it in there, and finally season it with a little bit of pepper. Now give it a good mix. And there you go. This is our first sauce. This is pretty good with some rice or chicken. You can also use this as a dipping sauce. It's pretty versatile. As you can see, it's quite runny but very dippable. Let's move on to the next sauce. So for the next sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, some finely chopped onion, some finely chopped gherkin, some finely chopped parsley, some finely chopped pepper, and salt. So, first, take about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, take a small handful of onions, sprinkle it on top, do the same for the gherkin and the parsley, season it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, and now give everything a really nice mix. For this recipe we took tartar sauce as a base. As you can see, it has a quite thick consistency, so you can play around with the ingredients. For example, I'm going to add a little bit more of all of the ingredients. You just have to feel and taste what goes best for you. If you think the sauce is too thick, you can always add a little bit of yogurt. And I think this one goes best with fish or just with fries. Really depends on what you like. Now, the last sauce is roughly based on Japanese mayo, and when I say roughly, I really mean roughly. It just has mayonnaise, some premium light soy sauce, or just plain light soy sauce. I don't know why they have to put premium on it, and some sweet soy sauce. That's basically it. Take a good spoonful or 2 of mayonnaise, add a small teaspoon of the soy sauce, and the same of sweet soy sauce. Ooh, that's a bit too much. I'm just gonna... Right. And now give everything a really good stir. This is our third and last sauce. It's just soy sauce flavored mayonnaise. It's a little bit salty, it's a little bit sweet, and super delicious. You may ask yourself, what the hell am I going to eat this with? Well, we usually put this on everything. We usually just put it in a nice hairdresser bottle and just put it on some rice or or any other fish or anything sea creaturey. And here we have some okonomiyaki sauce, I believe, or it's takoyaki sauce. I can't read Japanese, but I know it's delicious. And then you just put that on as well. And then you have yourself a really nice lunch. You can put some bonito flakes on it, some seaweed, maybe some dried onion. It really combines well with a lot of stuff. I recently discovered this sauce and I've been putting it on pretty much everything, so...
Even on his potatoes.
Even on my potatoes. And there you have it. 3 delicious sauces that you can pretty much use with everything. Well, if you're brave enough, of course. So the curry sauce, nice with chicken. The tartar inspired sauce, really nice with fish or just plain fries. And the Japanese style mayo pretty much goes with everything if you add some okonomiyaki or takoyaki sauce with it. Super delicious, super easy. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, you can always leave a like or just subscribe to our channel or leave a comment saying what you liked or disliked about this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.